Hi everyone, welcome back to Kutusan Tips. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with my latest video. Today, I am going to share my honest experience with Trinity Data Analytic Program. I will tell you what I liked, what I don't like, and whether it really worth your time and money. So stick around till the end and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So this is my dashboard, and you are watching the projects, various projects. We have usually 8 projects plus one portfolio. I completed all my 8 projects and portfolio. After completing this, only you can able to attend graduation interview. Detailed video about graduation interview will posted later. Okay, so coming to introduction about data analytic program. This program having various modules, especially Trinity are giving the data analytic program having 5 to 6 modules are there. Especially one module is for data analytic course. Next is Excel, statistic, Power BI, Tableau. Power BI and Tableau are almost similar. Then Python and main thing is MySQL. All these modules are given in this chapter, in this course, and you can get more experience through this course. It is a self-learning platform. Uh, Mainly it having various video sections. They are giving various class section for learning. Next is regarding the overview of Trinity. Overview of Trinity. The main thing we have to say is this is a self-learning platform or self-learning course, and it cover various modules like Python, Power BI, Excel, statistic, MySQL. MySQL is important in data analytics. Remaining other thing is better to create Power BI and Excel will help to create better report, and Python is making the things more easier. That the thing, you even if you not having more experience with Python, you can perform data analytics well. Okay, then it's already I said it's self-learning platform. Actually they said the live videos are the live classes are there, but actually I didn't get any live classes on the 4 month course, and I didn't see anybody any invitation for joining live courses. Only the first. Meeting for before joining the class was only the live section I attended. So most of them are recorded classes, and Python classes are not that much good. You can get better classes in YouTube. Okay, then main thing is they promise us to give some certificates, uh, and today presently they are giving live they're giving some live certificates or live projects also they added, and you get live project certificates also. But these project are not all related to data analytics. It's related to 8 different topics, and in that one is data analytics only. Okay, and I think this will be an added advantage to get a job in a company if you are searching for a job. So this will be an added advantage. No other specific thing, but you need to complete 8 project plus one portfolio that is given in main dashboard. You need to complete within the due period. Okay, due period is for around 120 days, but if you are expecting refund, you should finish all the things in um, 100 days. This is the steps, various steps we are following. 5 steps are there, and first 3 steps you get 3 certificates, and that will cover the first 6 projects, and last 2 project you got a chance to get uh, interview, and after when fourth stage completed, then only you can get graduation interview link open. Okay, this is the module we are first 3 is orientation, and you need to complete all 3, and then data analytics, Microsoft Excel, then MySQL, statistic and probability, Tableau, Python. Uh, Python, now presently they added Power BI. That is why I didn't complete all this thing. If you are from new, not in from an IT field, you need to go through all these things. Otherwise, it will be difficult for you people to complete. If you are from IT field, there is no need to go through this all these modules. Directly go to the project and complete everything in duplicate type. Next is what I liked from this course, or the good part of this course. First, main thing is certificates. Okay, certificates are main advantage of this course. It's an added advantage if you are a fresher and you are searching for a job. It will increase your chance. It's like a reference. They give a reference. Okay, this person having some experience in this field, so this will be an added advantage. And if you are going through their HR HR links. They are given a list after completing the level 5. Through that emails, and through that way, it will be easy to get a job. Okay, then next one is structured module. They're given all the classes in a moduled way. Each project advances based on these modules only. Okay, so it will be easy, and you can easily study this course within the duplicated time. So next one is resume and LinkedIn assistant. It will the Ria Punjabi was the mentor, and their video links are given on your level 5 career development section, and the videos are so nice. Even if you are not interested in making or completing level 5, just go through these things. It will increase your job, increase your chances for getting job, because their LinkedIn profile, how to make a LinkedIn profile, how to make a resume, how to attend the interview, so much things they are giving explanations, and how to make videos, how to make posters, lot of things they are giving explanation. So these are the thing I see through. What are the things I lack? Next one is problem faced. The main problem I faced is poor communication. One of the biggest issue whenever I have a doubt, I tried contacting them through their forums, but I never got a response. Even emails were ignored. However, when it comes to refund related email, they respond, but it take a very long time. But they respond some but related to money matters. Okay, but other thing related to course, the utterly worst, and I mostly depend on older students or those who are completed these projects. I seek help from there. Okay, no mentorship, self learning only. You have one mentor, but and also the live project, eight project having eight mentors are there. But I don't think that will be work. They have a doubt forum that also not working. You can post everything, but nobody giving any response. So this is fully self learning sessions. Next one is strict refund policy. 100 days, they say 100 days. Don't follow due days. Due days is for 120 days. If you've passed 100 days, you never get a refund. That so you need to stick on refund policies, and also the policies are other hidden things like don't use project labs, don't take more than two chances, don't plagiarize, like a lot of thing they're given on their guidance. You need to follow that, and minimum score that you need to get, and also at last you need to attend graduation interview. That is our responsibility to take a date for graduation interview. If you said they don't send a link, that not matter. If you attend interview, you got a refund. If not attend, you will not get any refund. Next is heavy marketing. Level 5, you got something good, but mostly almost all things are related to their promotions. You need to make so much videos, so much posters, other things. Everything is related to their marketing strategy only. Then if in a present live project, eight live projects are there, that also you see most of them are mainly related to digital marketing, mainly to increase the marketing of other companies. Not it will help in some way, but mainly the thing is promotion only. So don't think if getting or if getting this certificate everything is over. Nothing. If you want really want to have a job in data analytic field, you need to work hard. You need to use all techniques in all projects, and you need to take additional projects from some others from online, or you can ask to me also. I will provide some of them. I can help with some of data sheets. So this way you can increase your knowledge. Without knowledge, never you will never get a job. When the first interview happen, you will got rejected. So your hard work is important, and it will be must with with shortcut. If you receive your certificate, that never matter, because when an interviewer come friend of you and asking the question, they understand how much will be your knowledge. Okay, so certificate never matter in such cases. So please be careful. You need to know some basic things. Okay, don't think that you want all the want to know all the thing. No, basic thing or foundation you should have. Without foundation, nobody will give the job. Okay, that always you should. you should keep in your mind. Okay. So these are the main problems I faced. That is poor communication, no mentorship, strict refund policies, heavy marketing. I feel like this. Most of them are heavy marketing section they followed. I feel like that when I go through the projects. Okay. Maybe some others' opinion may be different. Okay. Uh, Next is refund process and challenges. I want to give more talk about more about this because most of them join the course when you see the thing that you got the refund if you finish the 8 project plus portfolio. With this guarantee, you most of them join because okay, that was a nice thing. You can finish within this much days, but there was a lot of traps inside this course. You need to understand if you following the deadlines, due dates of each project, you never uh, within the 100 days, because 100 days is our responsibility. They are giving due date that is for that project only. Okay, so if you want to finish in 100, never follow their due date. You before their due date, you need to finish as soon as possible. You need to finish within 95 days or 90 days. You finish all the things, and you need to go for a graduation interview. Otherwise, you may be in risk. Okay, if you pass 100 days, even 1 minute, they consider and they may reject your offer. Some cases they consider like medical conditions. Maybe sometimes they you will submit art medical certificates, or if you give real contacts of doctor physician, and if they talk properly, maybe you go get back. But other cases it is difficult to get a refund. And your guidelines, everything, every point you need to know plagiarism, no use of project labs, to attempt only like that. So much thing they are giving, and minimum mark is there, and finally graduation interview is there. I taken even I complete everything in time. I take so much time. I already said poor communication. There is no particular strategy there. Email only. The thing is, we can contact through their mails only. No phone number, nothing. No contact from through phone numbers. Okay, you need to communicate only through their support. Email is there. You give, sometimes they attend, sometimes they not attend. So a lot of mail you need to send. Sometimes if you lucky, you can get within 21 days. But I was not that much lucky. But take 2.5 months, I send lot of mails. Every 2 3 days I send one mail, and lot of communication through that way. Mail communication through mail I sent. Finally I got my thing. So don't think it was easy. It's not that easy, but you will get because I. And also one thing you keep in your mind, don't you need to present your receipt, payment receipt. Don't always keep your payment receipt. Otherwise it is difficult to get your payment receipts, payment, because they cancel that the payment route, and return back your money. So I did through some Amazon or something, and I received back to my Amazon Pay account wallet. Next thing is live project, whether live project are useful. Okay. As per my concern, it is not much useful for data analytic person. But if you are new to job world, you are searching for a job and you need some job, not data analytic, particularly to data analytic, any job. So in such case, maybe it will be most helpful because live projects also they give some certificates. Okay, so live project are different from what 8 project plus uh, portfolio. Live project is different. It's given on your project dashboard. Live project dashboard is there separate. There you can see another three certificates that is different. And internship certificate, they also give some internship certificate or chance to attend their internship. That all things are different. Okay, so mostly these things are like project are related to digital marketing, their promotions. Not only one is data analytic related, and remaining everything is related to digital marketing or their promotions. Okay, and most of them are having 8 to 10 tasks. So mainly they are doing free promotions with free labors. Okay, you are creating videos and you are promoting others without any money, anything. For just you spend your energy and time for Trinity and other their companies, their supporting companies, or they have some collab with other companies, and you are freely promoting that companies. That is going on live projects. But if you are really need a job, maybe these things are helpful. Okay, they give some certificate, that is the good thing. Okay, but don't expect any money. Okay, you not get. And even if example, if I give first project itself, you go through that, it's need 8 video you need to upload for a cure food or something. 8 video you need to upload. That is how many times, how many time your energy, time, everything going waste for a simple certificate. Okay, next is this thing only I can said about this. Next is final verdict. As per my grading, I can give only 3. The main problem is communication. That only thing I feel it was wrong in from Trinity. Maybe somewhat improved Trinity now, I don't know. But my time it was pure communication. Because of that only I give 3. Okay, because communication is base for all the things, all the project, everything going based on communication. If communication is not proper, everything went wrong. I see a lot of student leave from in between because they don't get a proper guidance, proper response, especially people who are not from IT sector, withdrawing from the thing. Okay, even I checked with my dashboard. In that leaderboard is there. I see most student leave the thing, not completed. Maximum 4 or 5 projects they completed. After that, they left the thing. Okay, so the join before join, please be yes, or discuss with others, or please go through various social medias, or various sites are analyzing, giving reviews. Please go through that. Then think whether you have time or you need, if whether it is useful for your career, then only you need to join. Otherwise, please don't leave. Serious person only join, because you are paying 3,500 something, maybe more. Okay, don't waste the money, your time, everything. If you are able to complete, then only join. Okay, first thing is that. Okay, next is closing and call to action. Okay, so here come to the conclusion of our review. Okay, so that this was my honest review of Trinity Data Analytic Program. Have you taken this course? Share your experience in comment. Okay, please comment below my video regarding your experience. Those who have completed or those who are newly joined, and also if you have some doubt, please comment or please contact me through my email. That also I giving on my description. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. To some tips. Okay, hit bell icon also for up to date information. Okay. Also, we are providing various course material about various courses like machine learning, AI writing, various courses, different even data analytic from different university. Also, we are providing. Okay, so please. If you are need any type of course material, please approach me. I will provide. Okay, thank you.